Morning, everyone. It is 8:10 in the morning, and we are about to cut the truck up. So, just sort the garage out. Yeah, 8:10. The help that I was going to receive today can't make it, so it is just me this morning and the truck. So it's on a bit of a slant. I don't know if you can see that, but we are on a bit of a slant on the driveway. So I've got some chocks under the wheels there, and yeah, we're going to cut the chassis, and hopefully the truck doesn't roll down the hill into the next door neighbour's fence, because as you can see, it is a bit of an incline and the truck sits down that way, so towards the exit to the drive to the road. So I've got some chocks under the wheels, but I'm also going to just put this in front of it, so this old bed on up against it, and then maybe mount that up against the fence there, so this truck can't physically move forward. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get on with it.
Been bending bolts since I was barely grown. Been breaking bolts since I could hold my own. But baby, these hands just won't fix what's broke at home. Rusty wrenches and busted knuckles, nut knuckle, tools scattered across the floor. Every card I touch turns to trouble. Can't put myself back like before. Got grease-stained hands and a grease-stained soul. Got oil dark marks that just won't go. But darling, some stains run deeper than we know. Rusty wrenches and busted knuckles, tools scattered across the floor. Every part I touch, it turns to trouble. Can't put myself back like before. Piston's pumping, but my heart ain't timing right. Spark plug sparking, but I lost my inner light. Transmission smooth, but my thoughts ain't shifting clean. Engine's humming, but inside I'm tearing at the seams. Check engine light's been on inside my mind. Diagnostic treating problems I can't find. Got every tool to fix what's under boots, but ain't got nothing that could do my spirit good. Been doing right.
Okay, so we have got the truck supported. We've got jacks under the front portion of the frame. Oops, there. We've got one supporting the cab, the yellow ones here, which support the cab, and then we've got the rear ones which support the rear part of the frame. Everything else is supported. The front is chopped, and I've used the bed to position it against the fence. Hopefully that little thing holds out there, but we'll see. We're going to start cutting, so here we go. So we have cut the chassis. That's all done. Bit of a whoops there. The other one seems to be pretty good. That's all good under there. Still holding, luckily, and you can see the sort of camber that we're on. So I'm glad that the truck's still on two wheels and not on its bumper. But yeah, got it wheeled out. We're going to do the second part of the frame now. We're going to follow the instructions, and we'll get the second part. We'll move the cab mount back, and we'll take off the first bed mount, and we will then put the C channel in, slide it back in. Fingers crossed, you know.
When I was down and out in the back streets of pain, when I was down and out like a bruise in the rain, but honey, you came along like sweet sugar cane. Keep on lifting me higher, sweet soul lifter, sweet soul lifter. Baby, it's true. Keep on lifting me higher, down in Memphis way. Keep on taking me higher, like the blues we play. Got the weight of the Delta pressing down on my mind, and got the weight of the Delta pressing down on my mind. But your sweet Louisiana love leaves those blues behind. When the river rises high, you're my levee, yes you are. When my soul runs dry, you bring that sweet guitar. Keep on lifting me higher, sweet soul lifter. Keep on lifting me higher, sweet soul lifter. Keep on lifting me higher, baby, it's true. Keep on lifting me higher, down in Memphis way. Keep on taking me higher, the procedure. Keep on lifting me higher, sweet soul lifter. Keep on lifting me higher, sweet soul lifter, sweet soul lifter. Keep on lifting me higher, baby. Keep on lifting me higher.
Okay, we are more or less done with the rear part of the frame. I've just got to do the section at the back, but the section at the front is all in. All of the C channels are in. You might have to make a few little mods when you bolt the C channel in, because the holes won't match up. So I would probably recommend put these two in first, tighten them up, and then if you've got a little bit of overlap in the eyelets, just put a drill through it, and then you should be able to put the bolt straight through. So yeah, we're looking good at the moment. It is about 1 o'clock, I think, in the afternoon. We've got to get the chassis here nice and clean, so they don't so they mate well, so we can weld them back together. So I'll do that now. Other than that, it's just a case of just putting it back together and bolting it up. I'll have to pull it apart anyway to clean it and to sort of coat the frame, but other than that, yeah, it's been quite a productive day. So
sitting here watching the paint chip away. Lord, I'm watching the paint chip away. 20 years gone in the same old day. Smokestacks gone lunchbox, empty parking lot. I said empty lunchbox, empty parking lot. Old man says we all forgot what we got. Smokestack's gone cold on a factory floor, leopard closing door. Called your number today, baby, phone's gone dead. Called your number today, darling, phone's gone dead.
Okay, we are done with the chassis. As you can see, everything's buttoned up here. All nice. I'll get under the truck and you can have a look at the backside. All nice and buttoned up over there. Everything went perfectly. All of the notches were cut right. All of the sides were cut perfect. It took a little bit of time to get it all together because the driveway's on a slant. So what I did is I jacked up the front of the vehicle under here just to sort of get the frame sort of in line with one another, because it was sort of sat down like that. So I had to jack the front up in order to get the chassis to align properly. But we are there. All I've got to do now is cut the rear and then we're done.
Days gone, holes in my soles, south wind moan, the 2 cents roll, back road pain, can't go home, walking down this gravel line. My name, 3 days walking, can't wash off this shame. Walking down.
All right, so that's it. We did it. We're all done. We did the rear. So we cut all the rear off. So I did all that there. And that's all that was needed really. Now it's about sort of cutting the beds and shortening the beds, but altogether it took me, I don't know, what time is it now, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, so it took me 6 hours on my own to do it, so not bad. So yeah, now we have a short bed.
Been sitting here since sundown, staring at my glass. Been sitting here since sundown, can't let this river pass. Young blood on wild mountains, moving fast.